All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and setup of my CarPlay and Android Auto car adapter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this would be convenient, like if your car doesn't naturally have, or it does have CarPlay and Android Auto, but you want it to be wirelessly. This will do that for you. Comes with your user manual right here. And this is what the adapter actually looks like. There it is. So there's a USB plug there. But if your car uses Type-C, then you can just use this adapter right here. And then you can do it that way. All right, so let's go ahead and hook it up and see how it works. So I went ahead and plugged in the adapter to my car. As you can see, the light turns on and it gives you these options here. So we're gonna go ahead and do the Bluetooth. And then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna play my audiobooks on here.
He did not know was that he was going to run into someone who wasn't just there.
Can then use to make strategic organic content.
As you can see, everything plays through your car speakers. It has all the options that you would normally have if you did have it hooked up. As you can see, maps is up and the navigation is super clear. There's no delay with switching between different zooms or zooming in and out or just kind of moving it around, which is crucial when you're following turns. That 5.8 gigahertz chip definitely makes a difference. No lag in loading directions or recalculating routes. Now let's try out some music. So that's the wireless CarPlay adapter in action. No noticeable differences from the wired setup, just a cleaner cable-free experience with this one. All right, guys, so there you have it. You guys are looking for a wireless CarPlay adapter or Android Auto adapter, definitely look into this one. If you do like DoorDash, Uber Eats, I used to do that. This would have been in handy because I had to keep connecting my phone, disconnecting my phone, kind of annoying. Or if you just do a lot of traveling, or you just kind of like to have your music free without having to keep connecting your phone, definitely look into this adapter. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.